Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the shortcuts on Snapchat. If you want to keep up with the streaks, then utilizing the shortcut feature will be helpful for you. To do so, open your Snapchat application and tap on this chat tab. On the upper right corner, click on these three dots and click on this new shortcut feature, where you can add the friends you frequently send snaps to. If this option is not showing on your phone, try updating the app. You can check if there is an available update by searching for Snapchat in the App Store or Play Store. Once you've selected who should be including in the group, tap on the search bar that says choose emoji and add an emoji to categorize the group. When you are done, click on create shortcut. It will then be displayed as your chosen emoji. To send snap to this group, upload or take a photo, then tap on this next, and here you can see your emojis on the top. Click on it and tap on select all. Finally, send it. You can of course add more shortcuts if you like. To do so, you can tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, you can tap on this new shortcut. Moreover, if you no longer use the shortcut, you can tap on the right arrow beside the names and tap on these three dots, and you can see this delete shortcut. There is the option to delete it. Tap on delete and it's deleted. That's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.